Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox one of my personal favorite car, which is this one, the Ford Mustang Boss 302. And this is by Hotwheels from the Silver Line series, and the MRP is 299. That's I bought it for MRP. So a lot of people are asking me over comments for how much I bought and all these things. So honestly, guys, please look at the video. I usually say the price in the video. So and a lot of people are asking whether the rear will open or top will open, something like that. I'm not sure. Again, if you are actually watching the video, you will know that it does or it does not, because I will showcase that. If I don't know, I will say that in that video as well. So honestly, my videos are mostly like somewhere around 4 minutes or max to max 6 minutes. I usually want to keep it within 4 minutes, but sometimes it just moves up. Okay, here is the card art. Okay, card art looks really beautiful. So I was really hoping they went with the rims which they mentioned there. Okay, so out of the box, the car looks really good. So it does have some paint bubbling issues, you can see here. The hood. So the roof has some scratches. Okay, let's talk about rest of things now. Okay, so it has headlight detailing here which is painted, and you can see the the phony logo here. So it is not accurate, but it is still there. And the grill details are there, that is in plastic, and it is engraved into it. And so this is like the similar set of rims which we saw in the Z. And okay, it has taillight detailing as well, that is also painted. And okay, the hood detail looks really good. So overall the casting looks really good, and the body is fully metal including the spoiler here. The chassis is fully plastic. The chassis has some level of detailing to it, which is really nice. And does have some interior detailing to it. I don't think it has any Easter egg here, but something is there. I don't know if it is supposed to be a gearbox. I'm really sorry about the noise, guys. So, but overall the casting looks really beautiful. So I'm hoping that whenever you are getting something like this, guys, you don't have this paint bubbling issue or scratches like I'm having. So you can see the name here, Boss 302. That is really nice. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. 36 grams. Wow, that is really nice. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, that rolls really well. Okay, it does produce some noise. Even the rear wheel, both wheel wobbles a little bit, but still it does its job really well. So there's nothing much to complain about. Overall, it is a beautiful casting, and I personally love this casting. So I personally love this car in real life. So yeah, for me it is like a win-win situation. So let's rate this casting. So it has all the necessary detailing to it. Again, I don't see any issue with it. Again, the paint bubbling issue, something specific to mine, yours might not have it. So don't worry about it. So we usually don't rate a casting based on that. So it's a solid 10 out of 10 from my end. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.